is Uncle Hunter, and today we're going to be making Cajun Boudin because I'm still waiting for my heart transplant, and so it's hard to get all kinds of Cajun food over here that's authentic, so we're going to try to make some Boudin from scratch. So what we have here is some Boston pork butt. So we chopped it up into slices, like big chunks, and we're searing it in a cast iron pan. So what you want to do is get a nice good brown on it, and then we're going to transfer it into here and put some water in it, and I'll be back with you. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Now let's put some more pork in here and then let it sear until a good brown and put it in here again, and I'll be back with you. Oh yeah! That's some good brown. Yahoo! We gotta try this. Gotta clear this. A little bit burnt, but that's okay. That's gonna taste good. Oh! Back here. Come here, boy. No. So now we put two yellow onions in the same pot, the cast iron pot, or pan, that we cooked our pork butt, Boston butt in. So then we're going to add some bell peppers to it and hold off on the green onions. So let's put in all of our bell peppers. So we got 2 bell peppers too. And then a lot of green onions. So just keep on getting all that bell pepper in there. Put that aside. And then mix it. So you want to mix it real good. And then let's grab some minced garlic, which is right over here. And then we're going to put some in there. So let's put maybe about a teaspoon. And we'll probably be putting garlic powder later on. So then, I'll put that right there. Okay, so now we want to mix all of this in good. Because the reason why we're doing it in the same pot that we cooked the pork Boston butt in is to get all those drippings up and keep the fat from the pork Boston butt. So then what you want to do is cook all of the Trinity a little bit, or somewhat until it's like translucent, and then we're going to put in our beef liver. The pork bouillon, the boudin is normally made of pork liver, but we tried to get some pork liver, but they only had the choice from chicken and beef. So I asked one of the butchers which one tastes closer to pork, and he said beef. So then we got some beef. So we got some beef liver, and we're going to put that in here in a little while after we cook the onions in a little bit. So let's cook this for maybe about 5 minutes or more, and then I'll be back with you. So now we've been cooking our vegetables for a little while, and now they're nice and translucent. So I forgot to add some peppers. Some pepper from our garden, like probably some Tabasco pepper, chili peppers, just some hot small pepper, maybe about a tablespoon of this. So we're gonna add all of those peppers in there, and then we also have a whole packet of liver, and that's the beef liver. So we want to put it in with our vegetables. The weirdest looking thing, and pretty gross looking, but the good thing about that is it tastes real good if you cook it right. So stir this in and cook it for a while, and it will probably make a little bit of a juice, and I'll be back with you. Now that the liver has been finished getting to a grayish color, it's not cooked yet, but it's kind of a grayish color. That means you should put the liver and all your vegetables that you have in there, transfer it to this big old pot with all the other pork to make your stock, and then I'll be back with you. So now we added all of our stuff to the pot. So now what we need to do is season it. So what we got here, some black pepper. Put some of that in my hand. Just season it quite a bit, because you want to get all that good flavor. And then cayenne pepper, but cayenne pepper is hot, so it's optional. So if you want to put it in there, you can. If you don't have to. But I'm going to make my boudin a little bit spicy. Let's put it in our hand where we don't add too much. And then we can always add more seasoning. So then, now, some Tonneys Chacheries, original Creole seasoning. Just sprinkle that in there. You get all that nice good flavor. And now some garlic powder to go with the minced garlic that we put in there. So then add some garlic powder, a little bit more. And then now, what you want to do is put some smoked paprika, because we want it to give it that smoky flavor, because we like the smoked boudin, but I don't think we can really smoke it, so we're just going to give it that flavor from the smoked paprika and liquid smoke. Just give it that smoked paprika, and then put that over there. Grab some liquid smoke, put a little bit of liquid smoke to it, and now to give it just maybe about close to 10 drops, not quite, maybe like 7-8 drops, and then some sea salt. Put that in my hand, and sprinkle some. There we go. So then we're gonna mix it and then cook it for a while, a little bit longer. Let it get together, and we'll be back with you to work making the boudin. So now we've been cooking our mixture for a long time now. We put some beef bouillon type thing in it, and some more beef stock, a little bit of water for it's flavorful. And then let's stir this up. So let's check the consistency. We've been adding more seasoning over time too. So you can taste the juice too if you want. And when you taste the juice, check for the flavor, if there's enough flavor and enough kick. But you don't have to add a lot of cayenne or any, because it is falling apart tender, so we're going to cook it a little bit longer, and then we're going to mix it. So now we strained the meat, the vegetables, and the juice, so we separated them where all the meat and vegetables are right here, and all of that good juice is right here, because it's made like a stock. So now, and it looks kind of thick from the pork fat and the meat. So now what we're going to have to do is get all these meats and vegetables and go grind it up, and I'll meet you at the grinder. So now let's put our meat in here, and then let's use it this way where it doesn't spill everywhere. So now we're going to have to grind all this up. So, and then let's grab this and put some of the meat down. There we go. Grinding up all this meat. Let's get some more. Stuff it up with some meat. Grab this meat because that fell out of there. And then some more. Smells like a rice dressing. And rice dressing is good. Put that in there. So now we grinded everything up, and then we're adding our rice to the mixture of the grounded stuff. So we have half of our ground meat and vegetables in here, and then close to half of our rice right now. So we need to mix this real well. Mix it real well. Chop up all that rice. Stir. So chop it up some more. Add a little bit of this stock from the pork and stuff. Slowly add a little bit at a time to get that consistency right. Chop it up. So we are done with the other stuff, and we've been soaking our beef, our sausage skin for about half hour, and then we also put the green onions in here because we're done mixing it. So then we got some in here. So then what we need to do is, well, you put that on here, the sausage skin, and then you gotta grind it. And then it's going to make the sausage. You keep on stuffing it. And then when you're done stuffing it, I'll show you the complete thing. And then we'll cook it. And then I'll be back with you. So now that our boudin is made and everything inside is cooked, so we're going to have to cook the skin because the skin is uncooked. So we got to cook the skin. So what you want to do is get a little bit of olive oil to make it nice and make the skin nice and crunchy. But you don't have to do this stuff. So you get a little bit of olive oil or any oil or something. I think I'm using olive oil. And then you want to bless it on there to get just enough of a coating, not too much oil, but you want to get it like pretty much everywhere you can to make it nice and kind of get the skin crunchy. And then get some olive oil and then put on this one. After I put all the oil in here, I'm going to have to bring it over to the air fryer to cook it, and then I'll be back with you. So now we have it in the air fryer. So what you want to do is close up your air fryer or whatever you're going to use to cook it, and then keep it at 400 degrees. And then now time it for 4 minutes, and then you're going to flip it, and then another 4 minutes, and then it will be done. And I'll be back with you. Now that it's ready, I'm going to get it out. You can tell that the skin is nice and crispy on the outside. Kind of oily. I might have put a little bit too much oil, but I was just trying to get all the nice good crust. So you could see all that nice good crust on it. And then, so now, I gotta try it. So, poke through that in, and you will notice that when you poke the Boudin in, it's kind of mushy on the inside and kind of crunchy on the outside if you do the oil. It's because we grinded it up. This one is cooked perfectly. It comes out perfectly, oozing out a tad bit too much unless it's different from the skin. So now, nice and hot, let's try this. You can really taste that liver and all the flavors and the kick of spice. It's like you have to pull the skin to be able to get everything in the skin. Because the skin is kind of stretchy and the stuffing's not. It's spicy with the amount of cayenne and stuff we put in there. But it's good. So, yeah. I like this and I'm going to have to eat some more because that stuff is good. So, thank you for watching my video on how to make Cajun Boudin and then pork Boudin. And don't forget to check out Spider Duck channel and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!